How to log in to Norton Crypto Wallet. To log into your Norton Crypto Wallet, first, go and open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in my.norton.com/extspa/crypto. After you type in this URL, tap on the Go button or the search button. Doing so will take you to the sign in area for Norton. Go ahead and enter your Norton account's credentials in the text box. Type in your username associated with Norton and tap the continue button. Now you'll need to type in your password associated with your account. After you type in your credential, click the sign in button. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the forgot password link and follow through the prompts. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Norton Crypto Wallet. Pretty easy, isn't it? That is how it is done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.